Hey, what you doing here? Welcome to my crib. So this is the house that I bought. Pretty bad house. You guys want to see something really cool? The bathroom over here. So this is like a secret bathroom. So this is the living room. This is the kitchen. Mixing up a lot of things. This is like Gucci style bathroom. Come inside. This is cool. So Italian. Or probably like the jail. Look at the standstill toilet. This is awesome, dude. Wow. This is really cool. Yeah, so you can see yourself. It's pretty cool. Sink. It's a beautiful house. Beautiful house. I like it. It's not kids friendly, I'll tell you that. But it's alright. Nice. I guess I need to buy another home that's kids friendly. This is the dining area. This is the outside dining also as well. I'm trying to redo the landscaping and fix it up. Put some nice chairs, nice outdoor seating. That'd be really cool. Oh, another thing that I need to I need to get like a good high tech to teach me how to use my lights at this house. Apparently, there's a way to turn them on and turn them off. This is brighter. I think there's a way to turn them brighter. Oh, that's cool. The kitchen's pretty cool. It's so badass. Huge freaking refrigerator. The freezer. So huge. So fucking big. Of course, the stove, more pantries, more stuff. It's a lot of space. A lot of space. Kitchen is just full of stuff. That is cool. Amazing. This is like so Italian right there. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It's like back home, kind of. More storage, more storage. More drawers, more cabinets. It's just wow. It's huge. I'm loving it. So, the elevator is right here. The garage is right here. This is gonna be probably like a living room or like a family room. You got the bar, you got the wine cooler, wine storage, ice maker. Of course, you got the sink. Probably we'll put something over here. A full bar. It's pretty cool. We'll have. I'm probably putting like a nice set of couches or something over here. Something that's like mild, not too much. Because the place really looks pretty without having anything. So I just want light as possible. Because I'm not gonna be partying as much. What's so cool is like. So if you have your kids in here, just like, now we don't go downstairs, you can just like lock it. It's pretty cool. This is so high tech. This house is like super modern. Closet. What's so cool about this closet? Everything's so like custom made. This cabinet right here, I guess it's like, then you can iron and stuff. That's pretty cool. That is. Whoever built this is just bedroom. Let me show you the bedroom. So the bed would go over here, I guess. TV, the fireplace. The outside balcony is pretty nice. It's really, really spacious. I'll probably put charcoal over here so it'll look green. It'll look really, really nice. The view of the pool. Of course, I will not jump again. Since last time I jumped, I almost went to the hospital because I almost broke my neck. But I know once the landscaping gets done, it's gonna look way nicer. So I can't wait to get that done. That's not how I wanted to say something with that too.
Something is strong.
No. No. This is not jump wall. Don't jump it. This is the makeup area, I guess. I'm gonna take this off, put better lighting. But this is the shower, backup, dual sink, I guess. Hers and hers. Well, it's mine and mine. Dude, this is so cool. It's like all mirrors. Like you get lost over here. Do you want to see?
I'm seeing on the reflection.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's so cool, dude. Yeah, whoever built this house is just genius. And then more closets, restroom, toilet area, I guess. Or storage cabinets. This is like really nice. So much. It's huge. It's a lot to put in. Between the two homes that I have and this one, so I'll be like, I need to buy more stuff to stuff this place. This is so nice. Now I can do my laundry right. So I put the bed right here. A nice carpet. That'll be really nice. We got a bathroom. Looks really nice. So you guys want to see something cool? Okay. This is Butch's party room. Let's go. This is gonna be my therapy room. Just so freaking cool. So this is the shower. With the glass on top. Oh my god. You got the moonroof. Of course, more closet. Toilet room. Everything is just like two room. Put a bed right here. It'll be like my giggity area. This is not surround system lighting. And then this is my favorite part of this house. Oh my god. Ready?
A roof garden.
This is so cool. You put me a jacuzzi right here, by the way.
Oh, you can grill here a lot.
We'll see the grilling will be like down there.
Okay.
Right
Why?
here, it'll be just like you got the fireplace.
Okay.
You got like a jacuzzi area right here, like nice, seating right here. I'm gonna give you some curtains so that we can, let's say you want to have some privacy, like a little trip down. Let's have some privacy in case you want to walk naked. But this is nice. Come stand from here. It is so cool. I'm excited.
You deserve it, man.
I do. I lived in the shop for 5 years. I built my own place after I got divorced. On top of my shop for 5 years now. And I deserve it, right? I had homes, but I had to sell them because of divorce. And then I gave my ex-wife one home.